Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the second day of May, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.37. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 14.23% since we first identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate just 18 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.79% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and modest upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is anticipated. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 7.81% over the next 3 months, with a potential return fluctuating between negative 20.54% and positive 15.82%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 39.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 63.86% to negative 38.73% over the coming year. In present terms, this would imply a future price range between $40.79 and $69.15. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock price down 1.48% on Wednesday. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price decreased by 1.48% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, falling from $114.56 to $112.86. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.03%, with a low of $112.66 and a high of $114.95. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 7 instances, but has still increased by 0.36% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on that day, which aligns positively with the stock's performance, as volume tends to follow stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 11 million shares, with a total of 26 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $2.99 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $187.28, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 39.74% or $74.42 below the 52-week high and 50.35% or $114.44 below the all-time high reached on March 8, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. AMD is making significant strides in the gaming and artificial intelligence markets, positioning itself as a formidable competitor against NVIDIA and Intel. With its latest RDNA 4 and Zen 5 technologies, AMD is enhancing its gaming infrastructure, potentially solidifying its role as a preferred choice for gamers and boosting its revenue mix in this lucrative sector. Moreover, AMD has expanded its artificial intelligence capabilities through the acquisition of Inosemi, which specializes in photonic integrated circuits. This move will enhance AMD's co-packaged optics offerings and support its aggressive push into artificial intelligence systems, a critical area as demand for these technologies surges. Analysts are optimistic about AMD's growth trajectory, particularly within the data center space. Recent financial reports indicate strong performance across various segments, reaffirming AMD's status as a buy. The company's strategic investments have led to increased debt, but its healthy balance sheet suggests it is well positioned for long-term growth. Additionally, an analyst upgrade has raised AMD's stock price target from $75 to $100, reflecting confidence in its artificial intelligence momentum and growth potential. In the short term, this optimism could lead to a positive reaction in the stock price, while in the long term, sustained improvements in revenue and market share, especially within gaming and artificial intelligence, should solidify investor confidence and support a continued upward trend. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May 2025, Barclays assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May 2025, Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025, Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025, UBS assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between the two signals, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at 112.68 and 100.70. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and so far it has fallen 4.13%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume is expected to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 38 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 25 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $100.36 and $96.84. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this instance, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $100.36. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $96.84 and $85.76. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.29 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.03%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 2.85%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued, or that investors are expecting significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 630 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $113.85. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $100.36. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Guido Philipp executed an insider purchase of 8,800 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D carried out an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D also conducted an insider sale of 7,590 shares of common stock. On the same day, Papermaster Mark D performed another insider sale of 9,610 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D sold 300 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 12.256. Overall, insiders purchased 666,675 shares and sold 889,950 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $107.73, reflecting a decline of 4.55%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to its high risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top established 9 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for advanced micro devices stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of May, we anticipate that advanced micro devices will open higher by approximately 629/10,000ths and start trading at $113.49. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.